Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Pisces, we're back with another one for the Pisces people before Pisces season is over. You heard? It's a 3-card draw. Ain't gonna hold you long. That's kind of crazy work, but you understand what I'm saying. Cards are out here already. I did not bamboozle you. These cards do belong out here. Starting with the Queen of Cups in reverse, followed by the 10 of Torches. And when the 10 of Torches came out, it flipped sideways. So I'm interpreting that into this message because it was very significant when it happened. I'm sure other readers can attest to when that happens. It's like calls out to you when things like that happen. Followed by Strength card in reverse, y'all. Strength card in reverse, the only major arcana out here. So look. Let me break down the strength card right now, since it's major arcana and I just talked about it. Like, because this could be happening with the people that's in the message, or just in general overall, is that people, when they let either their emotions get the best of them to where it supersedes their intelligence. Of course, we've heard this before. Sounds pretty mundane, right? But hold on, hear me out. Or vice versa. We become so heady that we don't care to acknowledge the sentiment, the emotion, the empathy that comes with being able to feel. When there's a disconnect, there's a disconnect. And if one weighs heavier than the other, you can see where there will be an issue because one does not know how to work in sync with the other. And that's a personal problem. Despite it being a major arcana, that's a personal problem for all of us who have experienced that, have encountered those circumstances, and are still struggling with them. And it's in reverse. So it can have many different interpretations being in reverse, but because of the cards that are out here, what I'm saying is this. First of all, you have been doing a lot of work on yourself. Hey, yo, that's crazy work, but you get what I'm saying. And to the point where it's become a lot, and you're just like, yo, but you didn't let it take you out. You didn't let it bring you down. In fact, you've came up with a solution just recently on how you can decrease the heaviness of it. But you love it. You love that you were able to take on all of that, all of that weight and be able to shoulder it because that was a testament to your strength. All right? Now, there's someone that you're connected to. Well, I can't say that. Let me rephrase that. There's someone that you know who is disconnected. They are disconnected not just from you, but they're disconnected in general. In general. Now, this person, they want to share their dreams and their ideas with people. Don't get it twisted. This person is wise, too. They are wise, maybe even beyond their years. That's how the saying goes, right? But I'm serious. I'm not even being sarcastic. But they got their head up in the sky, B. I want to even say like snooty a bit. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it is what it is. They're feeling good, and they feel like wherever they're going, they're bringing the sand, the beach, the moon, the stars, everything with them. You know what I mean? And somehow y'all did have a connection. Y'all, because you facing the other way, I'm looking at how the way that the cards are facing and everything. You facing the other way, you got the same snooty attitude. Y'all both got your nose up. All right, look, I'm not making this shit up. Let me show y'all. This is the Queen of Cups when it's upright, but it's in reverse. And this is the 10 of Torches, which is upright. It was flipped out sideways, like I told you. But when it flipped out sideways, right, it's like the workload went that way, pointed that way, which is towards the Queen of Cups, who has their back turned to the 10 of Torches. So what that's telling me is you've been able to handle the burden successfully when it comes to the things that you were working on, to the point where you can delegate now. You can offload work. And because it's facing that Queen of Cups that is disconnected from you, and not just you, they just disconnected. Like they could be in la la land sometimes. I'm just keeping it a bean. It's kind of like the door is still open. It's kind of like, yeah, we could collab, but that's about it. That's where we draw the line. That's where the bus stops. And I'm not like sour that you don't fuck with me like that. You know what I'm saying? because you are doing your thing, not for nothing. Because they are just like floating that way. And I mean floating. You can see the aura, like the angels crack the sky. Like you can see the aura around them of how wise they are and how much they got to teach and to give. But it's just, they're reluctant to do so because they're so disconnected. But you do see how good they are. And for you, that's enough. Because you've been working your ass off anyway. So it only makes sense that the collaboration is based on that. They got dreams and stuff that they want to share with, and ideas with people. You got work. A lot of work. So the strength card being out here in reverse, I say all of that to say this. The strength card being out here in reverse, right? It's saying this. Y'all stand on business. Y'all stand on business. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? When you sync up, because really what y'all both are doing are teaching each other. Y'all are learning something from this, and if you're not, then you need to pay more attention to what's going on. Because this can go one of two ways. This can go a way to where you try to pat someone on the butt and overcompensate for whatever lack that you feel. If one of y'all like feel guilty, then y'all not standing on business. You can't feel guilty for going on your path, for going on your mission. And if you try to mentally manipulate the person into believing something or trying to fix the relationship by saying something, but your heart is not into it, that is not even what you mean. Like, yo, I love you, baby, but you don't fucking love their ass or some shit like that, then you're playing yourself. You're gonna, the door is still open and vice versa. Oh, I'll share my dreams and, my wisdom with you. That door closes. And vice versa. If you try to like put your love, well, I said that before, put your love in the line. But if you try mentally manipulate, or that was probably a bad example because it talked about love, right? But even like if you try to like, oh, I got a gift for you that I bought, I don't know, like you just trying to hold on and hang on, and you're doing something like weird. I can't call that weird, right? But you're doing something that's intentionally manipulative to pull on the heartstrings, maybe love bombing or something like that. Don't do that either. Door closes. And I don't know how long it'll take for y'all to have to learn that thing again. You know what I'm saying? Do the work. Ten of Torches out here, Queen of Cups out here. Do the work. Do your fucking thing. Which y'all conceited asses. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, I'm out.